Bitch, and you know I be hustling. I pull up smoke out the function. This shit ain't nothing. Blow out her back and she bustin'. Bitch, I was broke, now I'm stuntin'. Fuck it, I just need hundreds. Knowing I love it, man, peep how I'm coming. Straight out the dungeon, no fresh out the oven. Bitch, I be thuggin', no smoking this. Listen, little bitch, I know.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So, what are we doing today? Yes, I'm holding the camera. It's super janky. I know. I didn't think this through. So, we are actually on our way to a small car meet hosted by Unknown. Shout outs to Unknown. Thank you so much for inviting us and allowing us to shoot some video. We just kind of stopped and kind of brushed off to Lucerne. Yeah, so Unknown is going to be there. Utah Subies, shout out to Eric. Utah Subies is going to be there. And I am super excited. I'm hoping that this isn't just a Subaru event. Even if there are just spectators there, I'm kind of hoping that there's somebody other than Subarus. But not talking crap on Subarus. I love Subarus. I have a thing. I love them all. But I mean, I'm driving a Lucerne, which, you know, isn't a very cool car, but it's not my only car, so I'm not going to throw too big of a bitch fit. But yeah, it'd just be nice to see the diversity. That's all I'm saying. I love Subarus. A lot of my cousins and friends have Subarus. Yeah, it's just, you know me. I like diversity. So yeah, let's go and check this shit out. Hi, I'm Frank.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys.
John.
Nice to meet you, John.
Nice to meet you,
Melanie. Nice to meet you guys.
Only red PRG north of Salt Lake.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. There's red FRSs, but not in GT86s, but BRGs. I kind of hold on to that title, which is good.
Listen, little bitch, I be thuggin'. All that is dope, I be puffin'. Nowadays can't tell me nothing. Drugs, I be running. If niggas want beef, then I'm bustin'. Money, I always be touchin'. Keep it 100. You really out here for nothing. You don't know shit about hustling. Get high off a packet, then still caught some fingers. Then sip a OE, light up black and stay hunting. We after these dollars. All of this money and power. If you don't want that, you's a coward. OG or sour, cushion the haze. I can't die, bro. Fuck that minimum wage. Lil' mama want blaze. She pull up, she roll up, she light up, say yak, then she want me to pipe up. I fuck her life up. Nah, baby girl, I don't wife up. How I know that you ain't a trifle? Had me in the tight one. I might have to fight one. Young Mike Tyson, hit him with a nice one. Never going broke, bitch. That'll be some hoe shit. Trap like the flow sick. Me and all the bros switch. That don't make no sense. Never love a broke bitch. Looking like I'm coke rich, but I ain't. I did this off the dank. Gotta move ranks. And the nigga eating good, bitch. I'm gaining weight. Lil' lame ass niggas in the game that hate. Homie, don't play that like Damon Wayne. Going fast on the strip in my own lane. Straight smacked off the gas, call it propane. Cold summer for y'all niggas getting no games. Burn mad, heard you out here smoking low grade. I like the OG and then I sip OJ. Niggas know me cause I'm in the dope game. Bitch, and you know I be hustling. I pull up smoke out the function. This shit ain't nothing. Blow out her back and she bustin'. Bitch, I was broke, now I'm stuntin'. Trappin' like fuck it. I just need hundreds. Knowing I love it, man. Peep how I'm coming. Straight out the dungeon, no fresh out the oven. Bitch, I be thuggin', no smoking this killer. Y'all niggas ain't shit. Count racks in the lag, getting lit. Got packs, steady booming out rents. Me, y'all niggas ain't this. Pay the full like rich. Fuck a rich nigga, bitch. Just the life that I live. Niggas, something gotta give. Cause we all up in the gutter. Word the mother treat my niggas like my brothers. Let it burn like Usher. This finna be a hot summer. Niggas talking like they getting money. Taking pictures with their honeys in the trap. Nose running, I was bummy. All for the money, I was serving to the junkies. Stuffing niggas like a bunkie in the woods, stay honey. Bitches ain't love me, now these hoes all want me. Going off this funky, I don't even give a fuck. I just wanna live it up, try and pick the business up. Fuck niggas switching up, all my niggas stay down. Steady like a playground, better not play around this. Cause them K rounds hit the grain, how it dip. I ain't playing about shit, we just riding on the lick. Now I'm sliding with a brick, got these niggas in the fridge. Copper still on my dick, young nigga getting rich. What y'all know about this? Peep my hustle too legit, got some purple in the zip. Better take you on a trip, probably drop you off a cliff. Better hold on tight, get your roll on right if it's beef on sight. I done got lit up.